Going to Vienna, Austria.
Oh my god. Do you have more space? And also like this one is it's okay, you guys just sit beside it. It's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Coastal Beaches Network, welcome on board to Regent's Train. We wish you a pleasant journey.
CR. Hindi siya para ka nasa preschool.
A few moments later.
Vienna Central Station. Going down. Okay, nasa ticket tayo. English. City tickets and more. For trips in Vienna. Until 27. Okay. Next. Adult. No, two adults. Okay. The cashier. Hindi kinain. Only, up to, accepted lang, up to 20 euros. 13.20. Okay. Isa pa. Yung bag ko. So yun guys, naka-purchase kami ng 72-hour ticket dito sa Vienna. This is only good sa loob ng Vienna. Hindi na need i-validate kapag daw ganito yung lumabas dun sa red machine na ticket. Kasi meron na siyang QR code. So yun, no, dagdag kaalaman po.